Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how to find some vectors, and I'm really disappointed because I stopped sharing my resources, because if I share this volleyball on net, you will just do a exact copy of my design and then you will upload that in different websites. That is really annoying. So I don't share my resources, but I am going to show you how can you find them. So if you need this volleyball or net to make this design or practice this design, that doesn't mean that you have to take that exact vectors. You can take any volleyball shape, you can take any net shape. And how much time it will take to just make a net like that? Let me show you. So here I take a line, then press Ctrl D to duplicate. Then again I am going to take another line here, then press Ctrl D. Don't worry about that, just group it, align and group, select them all. So how much time it takes to make a volleyball net? But you will never try that, because all you need is a ready-made graphics where you can work with. Okay, so this is how we can make this simple net graphic. Or you can do, that is, go to freepik.com and then search for volleyball. So here you have to check this free check mark and of course the vector check mark. Then it will show you only the free and the vector options of the volleyballs. So I am using a different one. You don't have subscription, you cannot take that. But can you take this one? This is a free one. Here is a volleyball, you can see. This is a volleyball. So you can take that one, or maybe you can just sometimes you can take this kind of bundles like this one. In this one you will get this volleyball shape, or maybe you will get some other volleyball shapes here. So here is a volleyball shape, you can see this one, you can work with that one. So if you want to just practice, you can do it with anything you are finding, you are able to download. You can see this is a really cool volleyball shape. You don't have to take that exact one I am taking. And for the volleyball net, you are not finding a good volleyball net graphic here, because you don't know how to find one. If you search like this, you can see here is a really cool graphics that contains a volleyball net. So if you download this one, you will be able to take this ball and then you will be able to take this net too. Let me show you how. This is a free one, so anyone can download it, of course. So if I open that one, you can see this is the volleyball net. So here I am going to select this one, copy that, then paste it here. So you get a volleyball net, and this is really easy. You don't need to have subscription or something else. You can take these volleyball shapes also. So always search for the resources you can access with free options. You can see you can easily practice with them, and you can make that graphics, or you can practice this design. So the basic is you have to understand how to find them. You have to always look for different resources like the bundle packages. You can see in every style or vector graphics you will find this. You need a volleyball player vector. You don't have a subscription, so you can see this is a free one. You can download this one. It is, of course, this is a football player, but you can take a graphics like this. You need a goal post, you need a football. You can download this package and you can extract the graphics from there. You can see this one is premium, so I don't have premium subscription. How to get that? If you see in this package, whatever element you are seeing, the player, the trophy, the cup, boot and the goal post, everything you will find in this one, and that one is free. So this is how you can download graphics, or you can search for different graphics. You have to look how can I download a free one, and then I can use some part of that to make my design. So that's how you can take graphics from Freepik. And stop commenting where can I found. If this video is not helping you, then you are not going to learn anything from here. Thank you.